Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Yes, the second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, last day of the month. Tuesday, January the 31st, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle. So three puzzles are left. The binary, the tectonic with 4 stars, and the Sudoku with 4 stars. Alright. Let me continue with this one. The 4 stars Sudoku number 5884. Yeah. 5884. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. One less than the previous Sudoku. Previous Sudoku has 25. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you need more time to solve. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this wheel of 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have here 2 2s. We have here 2 3s. 3 4s. 2 5s. 4 6s. Alright. Alright. 4 6s. 5 6s. 1 7. 2 8s. And 2 9s. So the 6s are in majority. Can I start with 6? That's my question. Well, will be difficult. No. What's happening? What's happening? That I cannot start with the... Oh, no. Well, not true, not true. 6 in this row. 6 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the first column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see here 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6. Okay, 6. Now I cannot continue with the 6. Now I need to wait. Oh, we have also 4 4s overlooked. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the third column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the second row. No 4 in these 2 boxes here. 4 in this column. No 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, first row. 4 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Alright. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9 in this column, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. Alright, 1 1. Then 9 here. I need to think. Oh, we have a 9 over there also. 9. 1 2 3 9s. 9 9 9 9 9 9. Well, need to wait. I need to wait. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. What the 5, 5, 5. But the 7, 1, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. The 1 in the last column, the 1 in the column next, so in that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2, 2. 2, 5, 7, 1. Well. 7, 7, 7, 7. Yeah. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 and 8. How about 8? Then 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. 7, 7, 7, 7. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need to think. Come on. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 3, 7, 8. 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8. And look, we have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in this box. Here, 3 in the last column, no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have an 8 in the second row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this middle row. No 7 in this box. Here, 7 in the last column. No 7 in that box. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those two boxes in this row. 7 in the middle row. So no row above. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the first column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. 7. Cannot continue with the 7. Need to wait. 6 and 3. 9, 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 5, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 in these two boxes. Here an 8 in one of those two boxes in this row, so no 8 in those two boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those two boxes in this row, 8 in one of those two boxes in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, first column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, and only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see an 8 in the third row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the second row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. Alright, then. 8. Cannot continue with 8 now. Need to wait. 3, 9, 7, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 in this column, first column, 7 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the second row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see here 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. 7. Yeah, 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. We already have 6 should be here. 6 should be there. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Alright, 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. On there, we see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for the 1. The 2 is missing. 7 and a 5 here. 5, 5, okay. 7, 8, 5. Here we have 3 missing numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Well, 5, 8, 7 goes in these 3 boxes. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. That means 1 digit left in this row for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2, 2, 2. 1, 1. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. And look, we have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 5 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. 1 box left in the first row for number 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Okay. 5, 5. Need a 1 also. 1, 1. Okay. 3 missing numbers in the second column for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. And look, we have a 1 and a 5 in this second row. So no 1 and a 5 in this box. The 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in the second column for number 3. 1 digit left in this second row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 9 goes there. 1 digit left in this column. I believe the 9. Yes, 9 in this column. Third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then, let me see. 3, 3, 3, 3. Need a 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers in this row is the number 3. Here can be a 3 because we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. Here can be a 3 because we have 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. So 3 could be here, could be there in this row. Here or there. You see another 3 in this column, so no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 2, 6, 7. 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7. And look, we have a 2 and a 6 in this column. So no 2 and a 6 in this box. The 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 7. Alright, 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 7. Now we have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. So I've eliminated 7 here, so this should be an 8. And that box should be a 5. Alright. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the other one. The 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the Mr. 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then 9 and the 5. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and the 9, 5 and the 9. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the Mr. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 70 minutes, quicker than the previous Sudoku. Wow, I'm surprised. Yeah, it's in the flow. 70 minutes. Is this really a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No, because for 3 stars I need 20 to 30 minutes. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later on with other 2 puzzles. The binary and the tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.